Namaskar students from class UKG My Task Book English 2. Today we will read the words and rewrite them. Are you ready students? Take your pencil and write with me. B E D bad. B A D bad. R E D red. R A D red. L E G leg. L A G leg. P E G peg. P A G peg. D E N Dan. D A N Dan. H E N hen. H A N hen. G E T get. G A T get. P E T pet. P A T pet. S E T set. S A T set. So students, here today's homework is do it in your My Task Book English 2. Okay students.